This is Mountasan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, in the top plane, I'll draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 30 plus 10 units, so also 40 units. Then I will extrude both it to up to 40 unit. Okay. Then we can see we have a rectangular cut here. Okay, so for that I am going to select the right plane and draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of here to here the dimension is 10 unit, and the vertical dimension is 40 minus 10 units, so this vertical dimension is 30 unit. Okay, then we have another rectangular cut here. So in the right plane I will draw another rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension here to here is 10 unit. Okay, and this vertical dimension is 40 minus 15 unit. Then I will use to cut it to this way. Then we can see we have an rectangular triangular cut here. For that we'll draw two triangle. Okay, we'll draw one triangle here and mirror the other one here. Okay, so for that I am going to select the front plane, and in the front plane I'll draw an inclined line here, and from this point to this point the distance is 10 unit, and from here to here this point the distance is uh, 40 minus 20 minus 10, so this distance also is 10 unit. Okay, then I will close this triangle, a triangle. Then I'll draw a center line here, and from this center line I will offset I will mirror this triangle. Then I will extrude cut it to this side. Then finally we can see from this point to here the height is 10 unit, and in 10 unit height we have another circular cut, and this circle has a diameter of 10 unit. Okay, let's go back to our SolidWorks, and now select the top plane. Now right click on it, now sketch the normal to it, and now select the center rectangle and press the center rectangle here, and this dimension is 40 by 10 plus 30, so 40 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, and now extrude boss it to again 40 unit. Okay, now I'm going to select the right plane here, right click on it, now select normal to it, sketch. Now select our line tool and draw an incline line, and this incline line has, and now select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this horizontal line it has a distance of 10 units, so dimension it to 10 unit. Then again select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this point the distance is also 10 units, so dimension to 10 unit. Now select the line tool from here. Okay, I am selecting the line tool from here and select a vertical line, then a horizontal line. Now select the center line because we will going to mirror that. For that I'm doing a center line, and from this center line I'm selecting these mirror entities, and entities to be mirror I want to mirror these three lines. Okay, and mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, and now extrude cut it to through all both. Okay, so we're going to extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So now it's time for our front plane cut. So I'm selecting our front plane, now right click on it. Okay, I think we have drawn, we have cut this portion first. Okay, so here we have cut this portion first, so as the geometry is symmetry, so it won't be matter much. Okay, so finally we'll rotate the sketch. Okay, so now I am going to select the front plane from here, right click on it, now sketch the normal to it, and this time I will going to do these two rectangular cut. Okay, here the view is front view, but I have drawn the right view portion, but here in the front view portion I have drawn in the right plane portion. But as the geometry is symmetry, so switching the front plane and right plane won't matter much. Okay, so I'm selecting the corner rectangle tool from here and drawing a corner rectangle, and this corner rectangle has a height of 30 unit by 10 unit. Okay, then again selecting a corner rectangle again here, and from this corner we're going to draw a 40 minus 15 40 minus 15 unit height. Okay, then by 10 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now is cut, now is cut it to through all both. Okay, is to cutting it to through all both. Now press OK. So as our geometry was symmetry, so switching the right plane to front plane and front plane to right plane given us any don't give any change of the shape. So I'm selecting this face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it, now select a circle tool from here and draw a circle. Okay, so I'm drawing a circle along this center line, and this circle has a dimension of 10 unit. Now go to smart dimension tool and select this circle and select this line, and it has a distance of 10 units, so dimension to 10 unit. Okay, now I make it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now cut it to through all. Okay, we're going to cut it to through all. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.